What's up everybody, I am Jaspreet Singh and welcome to the Minority Mindset. Have you ever heard the saying, cash is king? Psh, yeah, who hasn't? Everybody knows cash is king. Well, sorry to be that person that breaks the news to you, but that is wrong. Very wrong. Cash by itself is pretty useless. It's just a bunch of pieces of paper that sit in your drawer, or it's a number on your bank statement. Oh my god, look how big my number is! While that's cool and all, cash only has value if you use it. Like if you spend your whole life saving and saving and saving, and then you and your family never use your cash, what's the point? Let me show you what I mean. Like, let's say you make $50,000 a year from your job, but you want to retire rich. So even though you make $50,000 a year, you only live off of $15,000 and then you save the other $35,000 a year every year. You are dedicated to becoming a millionaire, so you save every penny you can. You're living in a beat down, run down apartment, you're driving a nasty, ugly car, you don't take vacations and you don't hang out with your friends. You want to retire a millionaire, so you're saving every penny you can. Now, don't get me wrong, I 100% respect the hustle. You have to be willing to make sacrifices and work hard towards your goals. But there are more effective ways, which is why I need you to learn how to work smart in addition to working hard. So going along with the same story, you work really hard to save that $35,000 a year every single year, and you do this for 3 decades, and now you are a millionaire. Yes! Whoa, before you get too excited, let me finish the story with 2 different scenarios. Scenario 1, the day you see $1 million in your bank account, you get so excited that you start jumping up and down with joy. You're celebrating your decades worth of hard work, and you're jumping and you're jumping and you're jumping, and suddenly the floor breaks beneath you and you fall through and die. Dang, Jaspreet, you went from 0 to 100 real quick. I don't want to sound all morbid and sad, but anything can happen during those 3 decades of just hoarding cash. Trust me, I get it. Sacrificing is a part of the game. You are gonna have to sacrifice your luxuries today if you want to live a better financial life tomorrow. I'm not knocking that at all. I've done that. But what I've also learned along the way is that there's a smart way to do it, and then there's an inefficient way to do it. I'll be talking about this in just a minute. Scenario number 2. The day you see that $1 million in your bank account, you go and pick up some maracas and you go into your boss's office and sing him a little song. Dear boss, I quit. Now that you're a millionaire, you don't have to work a job anymore. You go and find a nice house to finally live in, and you put a few $100,000 towards that. You buy a couple fancy cars that you've been dreaming about. You start wearing those designer clothes. And now, 7 years later, you're out on a yacht vacationing in Europe, and you get a call from your banker. Hello, Mr. Banker. I told you not to call me when I'm out vacationing. Turns out, you only have $400 left in your bank account, and your mortgage payment is due next week. You were a millionaire, and now you're broke. Looks like you're gonna have to pick up your maracas and sing your old boss another song. Dear boss, please hire me, please hire me, please hire me. Cash only has value if and only if you use it. Like we saw in the first scenario, you can save your money for years, but you don't know when it's your time to go. But like you saw in the second scenario, using your cash is risky too, because if you use your cash will disappear. Even if you have $1 million, as soon as you start spending your cash, that $1 million will start to come down. Sure, you can budget your money and discipline yourself and tell yourself that you will not spend more than $40,000 a year. But cash disappears once you spend it, and I haven't even touched how inflation dilutes the value of your savings. That is why cash is not king anymore. The new king or queen is cash flow or passive income. There is one key difference between cash in your bank account and passive income. One keeps coming back. If instead of having $1 million in your bank account, you had $8,000 coming back into your pocket every single month. Now, even if you spend too much money this month on your vacation, you don't have to worry about starving next month because you have another passive income check coming. This is why passive income trumps cash. So how do you create passive income? Well, this is where your cash comes in handy. Instead of using your cash to buy vacations or cars or clothes, which are things that lose value and don't pay you, you want to use your cash to buy investment seeds, which are things that pay you with passive income. It's a mindset shift. If you used your cash to buy a brand new car, well, as soon as you buy your car is going to drop in value significantly, and your car is not going to pay you any passive income. But if you use your cash to buy investment seeds like dividend paying stocks or real estate, well, now you still spent your money, but now when you spend your money, you will get paid with more cash. Most dividend paying stocks will pay you every 3 months. They just deposit the money into your account no matter how many days you went into work. And your real estate investment properties should pay you every single month with rental income checks if you have a good property manager. And the best thing is that you can go out and do whatever you want and live your life while you're still getting paid. Now, this isn't something that's gonna happen overnight. You might have to invest your time into learning, and you might have to invest your money into learning with books and courses, and investing is not risk-free. You can lose money, which is why you should speak to an attorney in your area to understand all the risks and regulations that govern investing, but it is 100% possible. And if you are ready to learn more, we have an ebook on money management and investing that you can read for free when you sign up for our money and finance newsletter, and you can do that by clicking the link up here or by clicking the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed our video, hit that thumbs up button and share it with one friend so we can help spread the word. Don't miss our new videos on entrepreneurship, business, and money every Wednesday and Friday at 7:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So hit the subscribe button and the notification bell below. That way you actually find out when our new videos are released. And as always, keep hustling.